Hello, we are in lab 12.3.10 and we are going to secure a home wireless network. You are working on a small home network. You recently created a wireless network to allow the owner's laptop and mobile devices to make a connection to the wired network and the internet. However, without additional configuration, the wireless access point will allow connections from any laptop or mobile device. You need to secure the wireless network from unauthorized access. In this lab, your task is to access and sign into the TP-Link AC750 wireless access point with the following credentials: URL provided, username provided, password provided, and change the settings and wireless access points using the SSID provided, authentication provided, encryption provided, security key provided, and we have to change the wireless access point administrator authentication credentials from the default using the following: username provided, username, password provided. Do not save the credentials on the internet. Configure the laptop to connect to the wireless network and save the wireless profile setting as listed above. Alright, so let us start the lab. So let's expand this, and 192.168.0.254, and go to security, input username, input admin, password, input the password provided, and we are now in. Alright, so we go to services, and let's see, wireless and wireless network name. It's going to be police van. Remember this, you can always copy and paste, but I just prefer typing it. So we save. Are we missing anything? Let's see. Wireless security, WPA. Okay, we are given WPA2 here, so it's going to be WPA2. Encryption is going to be AES, and what else? WPA shared key. So we type in the shared key here. Remember, you can always copy and paste it. So this is it here, and let's see. So are we missing something? So we go ahead and let's check administration. Change the wireless access points administrator authentication from the. Okay, so we say the username is now going to be this, and then the password is going to be this. You can always just copy and paste. I just prefer typing it out. I don't know, I'm just used to it. So I guess we're good to go. So we can go ahead and apply settings and check our answers. Remember, if this video was helpful, share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one.